Hello. In this video, we'll talk about the GATB 2022, what to do in the last month and what to do in the exam day. This is a screenshot of GATB website. You can see they have published the notification and now you should start applying. Here are the highlights. Application timeline is 11th March to 31st March 2022. The last day of exam fee submission is 31st March. All the details regarding exam fee can be obtained from their website itself. They have a nice description of all of that. The mode of examination will be computer based as expected, and the date of examination is 23rd April, and that's most important because right now you have only 1 month left in your hand. Today is 21st and you are going to write the exam on 23rd April. Now, in this last moment, these things would really bother you. What to do in the last month? Time is limited and stress level is high. So, you should be wondering, should I practice MCQ? Should I revise concepts? And this dilemma, it's kind of killing you right now. In this video, we have a solution for that and a step by step kind of instruction what you can possibly do. If you are worried about several MSc entrance examination, you can choose Unacademy, which is a one-stop solution for all examination. And this video is also sponsored by Unacademy. They have lectures, notes, doubt clearing sessions, mock test, which would help in your exam preparation and make your journey smoother. Right now, today there would be an particular mock test series that is known as CUCET 2022, and it's a full-length mock test. It's starting from 2 p.m. today, and it's 120 minutes in length. This is a free test. That means you don't need to be a Plus subscriber in order to avail this test. You can go to the description box, click in the link, use my code AP10 and can register for this test. I would strongly suggest sit in this free test. You would get some idea, you would practice your questions, and it's always beneficial. You can also scan this particular QR code to enroll for free. Anyway, if you are thinking of repeating or you are a second year or first year student, there is a price hike alert. And that is why you should take a subscription quickly before the price is hiked. Okay, your success in examination is basically depending on three things: what to do in the last 30 days, what you do in the last 15 days, and what you do exactly in the exam day. And I'll tell you what you can possibly do. So in the first 15 day of your 30-day time period, start analyzing trends from the previous year question, okay? And learn in this process. Make your own notes during this question sorting and try to identify the important topics that are frequently repeated. Then comes what to do in the examination day, because your time is limited and stress levels are high. In this particular scenario, you should have a strong mindset that would help you to excel in this examination. So in part A and part B, you know how many questions are asked. So in part A and part B, both these parts, there would be 60 questions. But you see there is a disparity in the number and weightage. Part A has questions which are 1 marks and part B has questions which are 3 marks. So obviously, in terms of marks distribution, part B is way more important than part A. And also part B is dense in biology related questions. There are a lot many options than you have questions. So obviously part B is the key thing. Spend more time answering part B than part A. Even if you score a little bit low in part A, it's still okay. But part B would be the really game changer and your savior. When you answer more questions in part B, it would increase your confidence and it would help you in the long run in this exam day. Okay, let's talk about what to do in the last 15 days. So in the last 15 days, concentrate your effort on revising questions and also practice new questions. Do not revise everything in the last 15 days. Only revise those things where you are really confident and you have a detailed work plan notes on that. Then question is, where to revise it from? In order to know that, you have to know your syllabus, you have to know your strength, and then you can plan accordingly. Now, you know the syllabus. There would be microbiology, cell biology, molecular biology, biochemistry, immunology, genetics, techniques in biology. Along with that, there would be new topics such as bioinformatics, bioengineering and bioprocessing, animal and plant tissue culture, all of these. So you can devise your own customized strategy. Let's say you are very strong in these subjects, for example microbiology, cell biology, mol bio and techniques in biology. So this could be your strategy one, that whatever comes from this particular part, you are the boss, you can answer that. There could be alternative strategy as well. For example, strategy 2 says you are very good in techniques in biology, basic bioinformatics, fundamental of biochemistry and immunology. So using both this strategy, you can succeed in the examination. But the one thing is really important is that you have to have confidence in your own understanding. So don't read from random books. In this last 1 month, read from the book that you are most comfortable with. Also, you might have created your study notes while reading. So get back to those study notes because you have seen them, you have created them. It's easier for you to kind of like associate them with certain concepts. While studying these things, also make sure you practice MCQ daily, and that's the key importance. I have a bunch of study notes and flashcards available in Unacademy. Now all of these are also available in my Facebook page. Right now, if you go to my YouTube channel, you can see there is a particular playlist called question practice session. Link is provided in the I button, so you can click on the I button and get that playlist. All of this playlist has several MCQ questions based on topics which would help you to like practice the questions in very short time. All of these videos are roughly like 15 to 20 minutes in duration. It won't kill you a lot of time. Anyway, in my Facebook page you would get informative notes on GATB. As usual, in my main channel you can get a huge amount of content which are useful for GATB revision. I will be making a particular Excel sheet, online Google sheet, which has the link of all the topics based on the syllabus. So you just have to click on that link whenever you want to revise that topic, and done. All the notes are provided in the Facebook page link is in the description. In my Facebook page there are a lot of dynamic notes and flashcards which would help you to revise quickly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can support my channel in Patreon. You can take my Unacademy course. Using my code AP10 you can get a 10% discount. Follow me on all the social media. My social media links are provided in the description as well. Feel free to connect and don't forget to comment. See you in the next video.